In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display. After that, scroll down again and tap on Font. Now click on the best language for you, in my case English, and click on one of the available font styles. I will go with maybe this one. Now tap on Free, wait couple of seconds and hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default style, access the same settings again, but this time click on Profile at the bottom right corner. Now click on Fonts, select Roboto and hit Apply. Lastly, tap on Reboot in the pop-up to apply your changes. As you can see, after that, my default font is back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!